Hi folks, it's Dave, and today is Thursday Train. I'm going to be doing a hiding reveal slash geometric swipe. We'll see how this goes. I painted my canvas out black because I was not really thinking. And it's fine. It just means I'm going to have white on top of this. I have a whole bunch of leftover paints for the last several weeks, and I'm going to be using those. I'll do my best to tell you what they are as we go along. This I've got 9 by 14 canvas. It is deep etched, and I think without that anything more, I'm going to get started, and I'll talk about things as we go along. Here we go.
Heartbeats, all is silence, darkness in the streets. We cut off the violence and put it to sleep. I can hear you breathing, feel you next to me. Heartbeats, all is silence, can't believe we're kissed. Thinking it's time to shine, we may give it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Just wanna be with you. Hold me if I'm waking, catch me in my sleep. All these thoughts keep spinning, but you're grounding me. Time to heal, time to grow. This time I know I'm not alone. Hold me now, let it out. I know we found our home. Thinking it's time to shine, we may give it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Thinking it's time to shine, we may give it all I want is you. Oh, honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Wanna be with you. Arms around you, we're alone. My heart is racing, you're so strong. Take your time, lose control. Let's give in to what we know. Thinking it's time to shine, making it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Thinking it's time to shine, we may give it all I want is you.
Okay, I'm gonna call it. I gotta clean up my area. I'll take you down for the slow and easy, but I'm not unhappy. This is the first hide and reveal I've done in I don't know how long, and I just absolutely adore this technique, and I appreciate Jessica Winterstrom for coming up with it. There's some problems with this. I did get some pillow cells up in here, and the black did fracture just slightly, um, but I'm not in hate with it. So I honestly am anxious to see how this dries. These little boulder cells that are everywhere are caused from paint having, or from bubbles being in the paint. I'm not hating them. I really am not hating those. Overall, colors seem to work together. It'll tell more when it dries. This white part should be interesting. It's pillow cells, but the stuff that doesn't look quite right, white is actually gold and super gold, pearl. I'm going to let this dry and we'll see how it does. I'll bring you down for the slow and easy, the wet results. And I'm not sure I'm going to be able to put the dry results up for tomorrow. It might take a couple more days for this to actually dry. So I'm going to call it. I'll take you down for the slow and easy after I clean up, and we'll see how that goes. So I'll be right back. Let's take a second to talk about this. As I told you before, there's quite a few bubbles. You can see them through here, and they're going to continue to create those little dots. Got enough color underneath that the dots are coming through colored. So I like the colors in here. I'll talk about those down in the description. But you can see I did get some nice stretchy cells, which has been one of the things I've been working on since I've gone back to doing Shelee Art Style. So like I said, sorry about the glare. This is not a hateful piece. I kind of like it in a lot of ways. It'll be a launching point to develop from, and I'm not unhappy with this. This is Thursday Train. Up next is going to be Just Janese, followed by Art by Shelee. So stick around for what they come up with. I want to thank you very much for being here and hope that you got something out of this. So until next time, bye for now.